asked me for preparing something like manual instruction for using telescopic crown module for preparing crown with the support for removable construction. This is very easy using telescopic crown module, and I will show you on this case. This is a 4 patient teeth which are grinded, and now we use telescopic crown module for build the support for the future prosthesis. This external side is not important at the moment. The most important is this side, internal side, and we build the steps for the supporting removable prosthesis based on metal, on polymer. It doesn't matter at the moment, but now we can design everything. We use the control points and we create 2 steps, 3 steps, 1 step. It's our creation. We are responsible for the well-working this prosthesis in the future. So it's important to care about details, about the precise elements. Later, it's not so easy to improve the elements which are with the solid material like Sintron, like zirconium oxide. This is a digital project. We have possibility to make everything. So this is my idea to build a 2 steps support on the one side and the second side. We need to remember that the telescopic crowns are not prepared connected. We need to remember that always we need to connect these telescopic crowns by themselves. This is not happen automatically. So always we check with the antagonists, with the bites, the relation, how many places we have. It's important. And if we have ready steps, we think about connection. It's important, like I told. This is not happen automatically. So now we can connect the crowns. We can set the connectors in appropriate position. And if we have connected restoration, we can save these constructions and merge. What is important? If we merge this construction, we can use free-form merged construction option, and it's very easy to make equal the external surface and some of the elements which are not easy to equal in the previous stage. So now we can use free-form merged construction option. It's very easy and it's very valuable to use it, because later in solid hard material we can cut it and it takes a long of time. But now we can do this very easy in soft digital project. After we equal the surfaces, external surfaces, we can go to the slides or anchors. In this case, I have ordered for slides. We see the slides. It's very important to put the slides in appropriate position. We need to think about future prosthesis. We need to think about relation of the jaws, the place the place to the antagonist. We always need to think about it. And the second thing, the last thing, which is very important, is to use interlocks. Slides are only for retention. For stability, we use interlocks. I always set the insertion axis like an additional view, and this additional axis is from the bottom. Why from the bottom? Because of the shape of the ready element which cut the interlocks. We will see it on the for a while. Now I set the additional view, and this is my axis for the interlocks. It's strictly connected with the axis of the slides, and now I have possibility to use this element which is round on the bottom. Oh, you see, it's round on the bottom, and it allows me to put the interlocks which is rounded on the bottom. It's very easy to use with this at this stage. So in general we have ready construction, we have ready support for the prosthesis, removable prosthesis, and I hope that it will be useful for you. And if you have any question, you can write me to my email address, and I will try to help you if you have any question about this topic or about Sintron. So see you, and I hope that it will be useful for you. Bye.